Welcome. Close your eyes softly now. Take a long, deep breath in through your nose. And then exhale slowly through the mouth. And again, breathe in calm, steady air. And then let it flow out gently. One more time now, inhaling light, and then exhaling tension. And now let the body settle. Let the shoulders drop. And let the hands rest. The breath will find its rhythm. And the mind begins to soften. Today we focus on protection. Not walls of fear, but a shield of light. Born from your own strength. It surrounds you, and it supports you, and it carries you through the day. So imagine a soft glow at the center of your chest. It flickers gently, like the first flame of a candle. And with each inhale, the glow brightens. And with each exhale, it expands outward. And then slowly it becomes a sphere of light. Soft at first and then steady. And then very strong. So breathe into this sphere. Inhale and the light grows brighter. Exhale and the light spreads wider. So inhale stronger. And then exhale clearer. And soon the sphere surrounds your whole body. It sparkles like morning dew. It shimmers like sunlight on water. It is alive. It is intelligent. And it's all yours. So say silently to yourself, I am safe. I am supported. And I am shielded. And again, I am safe. I am supported, and I am shielded. And then once more, letting it sink in deep. I am safe. I am supported, and I am shielded. And now, imagine the shield responding to your breath. Inhale and the shield strengthens. And then exhale and it smooths into calm. It is flexible yet firm. And it is soft yet unbreakable. Nothing heavy can pass through it. Only light and warmth may enter. So picture yourself walking through the day ahead. Challenges may appear. Voices may rise. Worries may stir. But your shield remains steady. Every word of doubt dissolves at its edge. every shadow breaks against its light, and every fear is softened into nothing. So just pause and breathe. Inhale strength, and then exhale protection. Inhale light, and then exhale peace. Now feel the shield extend beyond your body, not only protecting, but radiating peace into the world. The people you meet feel calmer near you. The spaces you enter feel lighter. You are shielded, and you're also a beacon. So silently repeat, my shield protects, my shield radiates, and my shield is love. And again, my shield protects, my shield radiates, and my shield is love. And once more, my shield protects, my shield radiates, and my shield is love. So let this truth rest within you. The shield is always here. It doesn't leave when you forget. It doesn't fade when you're busy. It lives within your breath, always waiting and always ready. Now take 3 slow breaths. Inhale strength, and then exhale calm. Inhale light, and then exhale peace. Inhale protection, and then exhale presence. Now bring awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the breath moving gently. And then wiggle your fingers and toes now. And when you're ready, open your eyes now. You carry this shield with you. It walks where you walk. It shines where you shine. You're safe, you're supported, and you're shielded. Good work today, and namaste.